This tutorial is to help teachers and you to learn how to create a wiki board and what it can all be used for. My wiki board deals with the five senses, and it was created to help students work through the five senses and also provide a resource for teachers. So to start with your wiki board, you need to go to wikispaces.com and set up an account. You're going to create a new wiki, and you'll type in your wiki name, and that's how they'll access it. That'll be your URL. You'll choose who you're with, and you'll hit create. I've already created mine, so we'll go back and look at this. On my home page, I have a YouTube video here, so they can click on it and they can listen to the Five Senses song. And then I've listed the five senses down here. And so they're able to click on these icons, and it will take them to a separate page to give them more information about the five senses. So you can see there when I clicked on touch, it takes them to the page, and I just gave them a quick, brief, kid-friendly definition of touch. So we touch with our skin. When we touch something, it tells us if it is hot, cold, soft, hard, safe, or dangerous. Touching gives our brain more information about something. And then there's a little activity they can do on each page. This one was, can you name 5 touch words? So to return back to their home page, they would click on this icon, and that will always link them back to this page. Go look at taste here, and here's another YouTube video that I embedded that teaches them about taste. Smell. And there's a lot of songs that I've used in here that they enjoy watching. If you don't want to click on the icons, you can always use your navigation toolbar over here, and that'll also take you to the page. So site, I have a little activity here where we try to guess what this is a picture of, and how do you know? And our last sense is here. In this one, I've embedded little sound clips of like a cat meowing, a baby crying, and so they listen to the sound clip and then try to guess what it is. So let's go back to our home page. I guess the final thing I have here is for teachers, and I've just included some of the assessment pieces that I use and the document they can download, different games, and links to other resources they may use to teach the five senses. So now that you've kind of seen my wiki page and what it can be used for, let me show you how to do a few of these things. So after you've created your wiki board, you're going to hit edit, and the edit button will let you type directly in there. You're able to change your text by bolding it or unbolding it, your color, your font, your alignment. This is where you can add links, pictures, widgets. You can insert a table or comments. So I'm going to show you how I inserted some of my icons here. So I found my pictures off the computer, and then I uploaded my files. After you upload them, it keeps them here in this filing cabinet, which is really nice to be able to refer back to. So go ahead and click whichever picture you want, and it'll import it into your wiki space. You can size it, and you can align it. How mine had a caption under it where it would say touch and see, we would do that. This one had teacher resources. If you want to add a link, where mine was able, when you clicked on the icon, it would jump you to the page. That is where I did that, and I'm going to be doing it to a page or a file. So I'm going to choose which page name it was called, and it was teacher resources. There it is. And click add link, and then save. So now when I would save this, I'd be able to click it, and it would take me to the page, the teacher resources page. So to go back, we click our icon again. All right. Let me go ahead and show you how I imported some videos, since I have quite a few videos in there. Let's go check Mr. R's one out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and delete this widget so I can show you how to embed a video. So I'm going to click on that, remove widget. Okay, so come back up here, and you're going to add a widget. And you can import or embed a calendar, slideshows, many different options you can do here, but we're doing a video from YouTube. So I went to YouTube and I found my video here. Go ahead and you're going to click hit share and embed. And then you can choose what size you would like your video. This is one I did. You're going to go ahead and copy and paste this information right here. And let's go back to our wiki board, and you're going to paste it into this box and hit save. So it's pretty simple to embed videos or links. If you'd rather have done a link, you can go ahead and put in your link. You would just copy and paste your link there. I guess it'd be a web address, so you would copy and paste your web address right there. Go ahead and hit save. And once you hit save, it'll show you how it's come up, and you can go ahead and watch your video. Let it load there. You can tell there's a lot of different things you can use Wikispaces for. It's a great tool for your students, a great way for them to become independent learners. And I hope this quick tutorial helped gave you some ideas.